व्याप्तं येन चराचरम् तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Karmayogi Sri Sachidananda Kavi Satpathy, a multifaceted personality, was born on 10th January 1933 at Lattadeipur village in Dhenkanal district of Odisha. He was the son of Gopinath Kavi Satpathy and Lavanya Devi. Hailing from a lower middle class family, he had to struggle hard to complete his formal education. He passed his matriculation from Brajnath Varjana High School, Dhenkanal, in the year 1951. After his matriculation, he completed city training and started his career as an assistant teacher in Radhadeipur Government Primary School in the year 1953. A year after, in April 1954, he was selected by the government of Odisha as a school inspector for all schools in Vadga, Sundargarh. He worked here for more than 4.5 years. Then he joined Education Department of Rourkela Steel Plant in December 1958. In Rourkela, he started his teaching career from Ispat Lower Secondary School, Sector 4 in the year 1958.
कम दिन थिली मु थिली शर्मिष्ठा मो स्टूडेंट ताकर जो झियो ये कम दिन थिले से तो मैना पीसफुल कवि सतपथी जने रिनाउंड टीचर रेपुटेड टीचर वेरी गुड ही हैज बीन अवार्डेड बेस्ट टीचर अवार्ड एंड जे माने फॉर हिज प्रिंसिपल वे जो चिन्मय स्कूल बतन जो तार फाउंडर रहो से बतन सुधा से स्ट्राटेजी चली इंग्लिश मीडियम ओडिया मीडियम से बर्तमान सुधा रेकर्ड भल चली डेफिनेटली 100% वेरी गुड मैन ऑफ पीसफुल एंड वेरी गुड टीचर.
Then he worked in Ispat Lower Secondary School, Sector 20. Thereafter, he was promoted to the post of headmaster in Ispat Lower Secondary School, Sector 19. He came to limelight for his unique style of teaching and his special skill of man making. For his extraordinary contribution in the field of education, Sir was conferred with Best Workers Award by Rourkela Steel Plant in the year 1972. He was promoted and sent to Ispat Vidyalaya Sector 18 in the same year and continued his teaching as an English teacher in high school. Thereafter, he worked in Ispat Vidyapith and Ispat High School, Sector 2. Being a karma yogi, Karma was his life. Greatly inspired by Bhagavad Gita and the philosophy of Pujya Swami Chinmayanandaji, he did not limit himself only to his profession of teaching. He wanted to spread the eternal message of Gita and bring a revolutionary change in the society. According to him, Pujya Swamiji's message, "Catch them young," was the best means to achieve his goal. So, he became the pioneer to bring a change in the field of education in Rourkela, mainly in Odia medium schools.
Hari Om. Om Sri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. On the 21st Shruti Divas, dedicated to late Shri S.N. Kapishatpati, I offer my Shraddhanjali, gratitude and respect to my father, late Shri Sachidananda Kapishatpati, on this occasion. For last 2 decades, we have not been feeling his physical presence, but still, I listen, him guiding me, talking to me, and at every difficult situation, helping me to come out of it. At every occasion, every moment, I see him smiling through all the trees, through the leaves, through the flowers, through every corner of this beautiful, dedicated education temple, for which he spent many sleepless nights. He dedicated his life, he lived for it, and he died for it too. Education was his passion. He was passionate about giving education to the sons and daughters of this country so that he can dedicate good human beings to this nation. It was his dream from the beginning. While desperately searching for an opportunity to do so, he came across Param Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayanandaji. And Gurudev's philosophy of education really worked like a magic wand for him. He was completely motivated by this philosophy, that which perhaps he was searching for all those years. And he blended Gurudev's philosophy with his own dedication, creativity, and after that there was no looking back, and he could establish pioneer educational institutions in Odisha. Around 5 such institutions came into being 30 years before under the banner of Chinmaya Mission, and he worked day and night to bring these educational institutions to a proper height where man-making process can take place, and he really did that. So under the banner of Chinmaya Mission and guided by Pujya Gurudev's philosophy, it was his dream which came true. And in Rourkela, he could establish Chinmaya Vidyalaya in vernacular medium and thereafter Chinmaya Vidyalaya in English medium. And here in this English medium, I have seen from its inception which way he had dedicated himself to uplift this to a particular level. But however, his sudden demise for some time in the year 2000, it brought some confusion in the minds of everybody. What is next? But perhaps his own leadership and his guidance, whatever he had given to all of us, that really worked. And we took over and we followed his footsteps. And after 2 decades, today where we are standing, it is completely his own guidance and his dedication. So today I feel really proud to take whatever he is doing actually. He had dreamt to take it and to carry it forward.
His dream became true when Chinmay Vidyalaya Odia Medium took birth in the year 1979 at Sector 3 with few students. He was sent to Chinmay Vidyalaya Sector 3 on deputation in the year 1985 and continued there till 31st January 1991. He served as the headmaster of this Vidyalaya in Sector 7 till July 2000. His hard work, leadership, dedication, direction made Chinmay Vidyalaya the pride of Rourkela, and each year the Vidyalaya offered the best result in the state.
Hari Om. 1988 रे एही विद्यालय रे प्रथम जॉइन करथि। मोर चाकरी एही विद्यालय रे ही आरंभ होइतिला। सूर्य को केंद्र करी जेमिति ग्रह उपग्रह घूरी बुलंती जेउ सुंदर संतुलन रखिचंती सूर्य हेले सौर जगतर केंद्रबिंदु। सार थिले आम विद्यालय र ठीक से केंद्रबिंदु सदृश। से एकाधार रे थिले साहसी, निर्भीक, कर्तव्यनिष्ठ तथा समयानुवर्ती व्यक्तित्वर अधिकारी। मु सार कठारु जेहेतु चाकरी जीवन प्रथम आरंभ होता मु सार प्रथम समयानुवर्तिता गुण प्रथम शिक्षा करी। सार जमी सब बिफोर टाइम मैंने स्कूल को आसती समस्ते गला सार विद्यालय घर को जाती। सार टीचर मान प्रति जो स्नेह श्रद्धा रही एबे किंतु से सब नहीं। ये विद्यालय आम जेकोसी समय जेकोसी क्षेत्र में आम सार को आम निज सार को आम समस्त प्रकार सुविधा असुविधा आम सार को जनाऊँ। सार तार उपयुक्त समाधान करुले। सार जो स्नेह श्रद्धा मनोभाव थिला टीचर मान प्रति जे मो विद्यालय मो टीचर आबे आम से सब सार को परियामे से सब आम अनुभव कर पारु। हरि ओम।
He received Governor's Award in the year 1984 for his contribution in the field of teaching. Chinmay Vidyalaya English Medium was Sir's dream child. In June 1992, under his flagmanship and with Pujya Gurudev's blessing, Chinmay Vidyalaya English Medium was established.
हरि ओम। जीवनर भौतिक आडंबर को पछरे पकाई पथर बाधा विघ्न को निजर धैर्य, उत्साह, आग्रह और दृढ़ आत्मबल द्वारा परास्त करी केवल शिक्षित नुहे मनीष तैयारी करिवार संकल्प नहीं मो पाई आम पाई ए समाज पाई जी चिन्मय विद्यालय रूपक मंदिर टीए तोड़ी से होछंती मो हेड सर आम हेड सर। कहती शिष्यर प्रस्तुति पर्व सरिला परे ही गुरु का आविर्भाव हुए। शिक्षा को एक नूतन दिग देवार तांकर प्रबल इच्छा, शिक्षा क्षेत्र रे निज जीवन को उत्सर्ग करिदेबारे तांकर प्रबल आग्रह तांको आनी देइथिला दूरद्रष्टा गुरुदेव स्वामी चिन्मयानंदଙ୍କ आशीष। तांकरी मंत्र रे दीक्षित होई तांकरी सिद्धांत रे अनुप्राणित होई से आखिरे सजेइथिले अनेक स्वप्न निज पाई नुहे आम पाई आगामी पीढ़ी पाई जुग जुग पाई। सेही जोगजन्मांक पाद जुगल रे आजी तांक श्राद्ध दिवस रे मु भक्तिर सहित मोर श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पण करुछि मोर ए छोटिया कविता माध्यम रे। हे सिद्ध पुरुष नश्वर देहर सीमा पारी होई तुमे अछ एठी केउठी। हे सिद्ध पुरुष नश्वर देहर सीमा पारी होई तुमे अछ एठी केउठी एई पवन रे तुमे नेउछ निश्वास प्रश्वास। हे सिद्ध पुरुष ए चिन्मय बगीचार सजफुल पाखुड़ा संधि रे पत्र गहली रे शिशिर बिंदुरे गीतार पंक्तिरे सतेज तुम जीवन तुम आखिरे तुम स्वप्न एई अगणार सुलुसुलु पवनरे बारी हुए तुम आलिंगन शून्य आवर्त भितरु शुभे तुम जीवनर शांत स्तोत्रगान सत चित ओ आनंदर समाहार हे मोर प्रिय गुरुवर सत चित आनंदर समाहार हे मोर प्रिय गुरुवर एबे भी जीवंत तुम समयानुवर्तन अकुंठ विद्यादान प्रीतिभरा अनुशासन संस्कृति संस्कार नियम और नियंत्रण हे मंगलमय मर्यादा पुरुष हे मंगलमय मर्यादा पुरुष केबे तुमे सत्य होई केबे पुणी धैर्य होई केबे प्रेम होई ज्ञान होई अबा क्षमा होई आमरी भितरे करुछत वास सूर्य चंद्र ग्रह तारा जेते दिन आकाशरे हेउथिबे आतजात सूर्य चंद्र ग्रह तारा जेते दिन आकाशरे हेउथिबे आतजात हे प्रिय शिक्षक तुम हाथ तोला एई मंदिर रे पूजा सेइमिति थिब अव्याहत तुम हाथ तोला एई मंदिर रे पूजा सेइमिति थिब अव्याहत मोर भक्तिपूत श्रद्धांजलि सहित हरि ओम।
Sir was the secretary of Vinoba Sishu Vidyalaya in Sector 2, Khariabahar slum area for 17 years, run by Utkal Sarvodaya Mandal and Rotary Club. This school was pioneer in providing education to poor, unprivileged children and uneducated poor adults of the slum area. Sir established a local branch of United Schools Organization and extended various activities of this organization to all the schools of Rourkela. For his dedicated work and contribution to the society, he was conferred with Best Social Service Award in the year 1974-75 by Rotary Club, Rourkela.
से दिन थिला एमिति गोटे श्रावण सन्ध्या जो आकाशर नुह सारा राउरकेलावासी आखिर धार धार बही जाउतिला श्रावणर धारा कारण आम हेड सार नथिले हठात खबर आसिला हेड सार आउ नाहांती हेड सार हाँ श्री सच्चिदानंद कवि सत्पथी जे राउरकेला शिक्षा मानचित्र दुई दुईटी अनन्य मानव गढ़ा कारखाना छाड़ी सेक्टर 7 चिन्मय विद्यालय और चिन्मय इंग्राजी माध्यम विद्यालय छेंड कॉलोनी सौभाग्यवशत 2000 मसीहा एप्रिल 6 तारिख रे से विद्यालय पादथापी मते सुजोग मिलिथिला पिला बेले मु जे विद्यालय रे पाठ पढुथिली सेठी चिन्मय विद्यालय मध्य चालुथिला से समय रे मु देखुथिली जते बेले चिन्मय विद्यालय छात्र छात्री माने प्रार्थना सभा हरिओम उच्चारण करती एवं ओंकार ध्वनि रे समग्र वायुमंडल झंकृत होउथिला स्वतः मो मन रे एक चिन्मय विद्यालय प्रति दुर्बलता जागृत होइथिला आ मु जानि नथिली 2000 मसीहा एप्रिल 6 तारिख दिन ईश्वर मो पई चिन्मय विद्यालय रे पादथापिबार सुजोग को सजाडी रखिछन्ती मते सुजोग मिलिथिला सेठारे अध्यापना करिबा पई एवं मु सेठारे जेतेबेले चिन्मय विद्यालय रे जेतेबेले शिक्षकता कली तार किछि दिन परे हम विद्यालय रो हाई स्कूल सेक्शन रो बिल्डिंग रो उद्घाटन थिला ओ ये उद्घाटन पई हेड सर एक पूजा आयोजन करथिले से पूजाटी को से निज तत्वबोधन रे करूथिले एवं से मते देखिले मु गोटे कोण रे ठिया हेइ थाय मते कहिले आसी बौळ फूल रो माळ गुंथिबा पई मोर सबले से स्मृतिटी जीवंत रहइबो मो जीवन रे खूब कम समय तांको सहित मु कथा हेछि किंतु तांको व्यक्तित्वर प्रभाव मो ऊपर खूब प्रभाव भाव रे पड़िछि खुशी लागे जे चिन्मय विद्यालय केवल छात्र छात्री मानक भविष्यत चिंता करेनि समस्त कर्मकर्ता भविष्यत मध्य गढ़िबारे यथेष्ट सहयोग करे नागरिका हिसाब रे जहा किछि भी मोर परिचय अछि सेथिरे चिन्मय विद्यालय हेड सर मैडम एवं मोर सहकर्मी समस्त कर्मकर्ता अनेक अवदान रही मु समस्त को उमिष्ट प्रणिपात जनाऊँ। धन्यवाद।
ओम श्री सद्गुरवे नमः। कोमलवती पिलामानक मनरे सत्य प्रेम दया क्षमा आदि मानवीय सद्गुण भरिदेवा तथा सेमानकु कठोर परिश्रमी करी गढ़ी तोड़िबा एवं अनुशासन मध्य रहिबार जो शिक्षा दीक्षा प्रदान करथिले एवं ए कर्म को से निजे स्वयं ग्रहण करथिले से होछंदी बाबा गुरुदेव स्वामी चिन्मयानंदर निर्देश आशीर्वाद तथा संपूर्ण सहयोग से ओडिशा रे अनेक चिन्मय विद्यालय गठन करथिले। एहा द्वारा समाज को एवं देशर अभूत उन्नति साधित होइअछि। से कहती शह शह छात्र छात्री मानक मध्यरु जदि जणे विवेकानंद सृष्टि हुए ताहले जीवन धन्य होइछि। से गीतार वेदांत सार तथा ज्ञानर सागर रे निजे निजको समर्पण करी जीवन मुक्त अवस्था प्राप्त होइथिले एवं दिन राति 24 घंटा केवल देशर तथा समाजर कल्याण शिक्षा माध्यम रे उच्च शिक्षा माध्यम रे तथा मनीष तैयार करिवार कारखाना चिन्मय विद्यालय को संपूर्ण निजर समय प्रदान करथिले। हरि ओम।
Sri Sachidananda Kavi Satpati. The name itself commends an auspicious aura, a positive vibe, and a ray of hope. I was just a preschooler when Bapa passed away, but the memories of him have been etched so deep in my mind that however far that time may seem, I shall never forget those days that are the foundation stone in my life. Of all the moments that I have spent with him, my storytelling time is always my favorite. At the end of a long tiring day, which I later came to know how much burden he actually carried on his shoulders, even after at the end of every tiring day, he would without fail give me a radiant smile, a promising chocolate, and then start with a long story and have the patience to answer all my relentless curious questions. At school, whenever I used to meet him as our headmaster, always in a thoughtful look, giving suggestions for improvement, it kind of gave me a different kind of vibe and a different kind of confidence in myself. It was from him that in my early childhood itself I learned the meaning of Karmanye Vadhikaraste Mam Phalesu Kadachana. Though at that time putting it into practice or understanding its real essence was difficult for me. However, from that moment, those values that he started to inculcate in me went a long way to take me to where I am today. It was cruel on part of God to have allowed me such less time with him, who was not only my grandfather but also my support and my nemesis. Even today, whenever I find myself in any tough spot in life where I feel to be losing confidence in myself or do not have the motivation enough to go ahead, just thinking of him and asking him to help me has always given me a lot of confidence to move ahead, keeping my head held high. That is the essence of a personality like him. Thank you.
Throughout his life, he tried his best to build up a better society through spiritual, intellectual, and emotional growth of children, the future generation of the society. Medium of education was never an obstacle for his goal. His unique method of teaching remains an ideal for all teachers till date. On this sacred occasion, we would like to express our love, respect, gratitude to this great soul who has always been the inspiration and guiding force for all of us.